All right, the next step in making homemade bruschetta is garlic. Now, what is an Italian meal without garlic and plenty of it? Now, I've got beautiful garlic that I've already peeled. I'm big on saving time, so I've already peeled this garlic, and knowing that the next steps in my meal are going to use a lot of garlic, I'm going to prepare a lot of it in advance because I'm all about saving time. Now, that first step I did was I removed the little stem part of the garlic and discarded it because we don't want that. Then next I'm going to take the garlic and I'm going to make beautiful long slices on my garlic, and I'd like to turn it on its side so I get lots of consistency. Remember, when you're doing catering events and even cooking at home, it's nice to have consistent looking pieces of food. All right, gorgeous, delicious garlic. If only you could smell it right now, I promise you, your stomach would be growling. Okay. I love a chef knife, but one of my favorite tools is called a mezzaluna, and it's an Italian knife. Mezzaluna means half moon in Italian. Mezza, half, luna, moon. And the mezzaluna is a great tool when making, again, consistent chops. So I'm going to compile my garlic fairly the same direction. I'm going to take my mezzaluna and just hold it nice and light, and I'm just going to rock it back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, and look at what a great job this sharp little tool does to making beautiful, clean cuts of my garlic. And it's fun because you just rock it back and forth and back and forth. And within minutes, or seconds rather, I have created beautiful, consistently sized chopped garlic. I'm going to add this to my bowl because I've been chopping for a while here. Since I'm going to be using it for all of my other dishes, I went ahead and chopped up a whole batch of it. It's really great to use the gift of time in preparation to make a bunch of similar foods ready and readily available, and I like to put them in these small bowls like that.